Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be, we'll just call this like part 2 of how to try to recover a bad hard drive, and also try to make you aware of a new product. So we're going to do an unboxing, and then stay tuned after the unboxing part of this video where we'll actually have this in action. And if you watch my last video, I have a bad MyBook, which is like a Western Digital external hard drive that's USB. Tore it apart, took the drive out, ruled out that it was like the MyBook power supply or something like that. Pretty much know that it's the hard drive. I hooked it up with a SATA to USB device that actually is also by Dyconn. Got the same results, a little bit better, but still pretty much the same results. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this Dubbler dock, also by Dyconn, to the test. This is a standalone device, doesn't need a computer. Basically you put a source and a destination hard drive in this and you duplicate it. So it's like a cloning, hard drive cloner. And it is USB 3.0 compliant. So, it's got some speed. And it says duplication made simple. Product features, and let me bring this up just a little bit closer, a little heavier. Supports 2.5 and 3.5 inch SATA hard drives. Like I said, USB 3 and 2.0 compatible. It has hot swap functionality. Standalone sector by sector hard drive duplication, and it's plug and play Mac and PC. And will support all the way back to XP, Vista, 7, and Apple 9 or later, so yeah, you're covered on OS 10. Duplication made easy, yada yada, and here's some more specs. You guys can pause it and read it if you want. Basically the same thing I just read, except maybe the power and a little bit of USB stuff there. Also got a 500 gig, because I'm actually, the drive that I have is bad, is 500 gig. I bought a 500 gig SATA drive because it's 500 to 500. It will do, what it is. If you put a 500 gig source and a 1 terabyte destination, it's only going to write the 500 gig to it. You'll have to put it in a computer and use the disk management part of the PC or Macintosh to, get the rest of that space, 500 gig, allocated and partitioned or whatever. So it's only going to duplicate what is on the source. So, I might as well just go with 500 since that's what the source is. And I picked up Seagate for this, just a regular old Seagate desktop hard drive, 3.5 inch drive. So that's our destination. Our source I've already shown you, just the drive, which will be Western Digital, out of the Western Digital MyBook. So let's go ahead and unbox this Dubbler. I'm not going to unbox the hard drive. I don't think that is all that exciting. If you want to see a hard drive unboxing video, you're really hard up for entertainment. So yeah. So here we go, unboxing this. You can see we got a nice, really nice and sturdy dock. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is made out of aluminum and plastic. So here we have the dock itself. And as you can see, inside each bay you have your SATA connector for your drives. Gives like a percent of completion. It goes from 25 to 100%. Hard drive 1, hard drive 2 over here on the labeling. On the back we have USB 3.0 hookup. We have the DC power in and an on and off switch. And a couple little rubber feet to keep your dock in place. And really that is all there is to the dock. Little branding, company branding there, and that is it. Nice and sturdy though, feels good. This is nice aluminum inside, so it's not crappy, bad quality. So there's a piece of cardboard, another piece of cardboard. Got an instruction manual, and then this is going to probably be the power supply. And maybe they'll give you a USB cable. Let's see what's in it. And yes, we have a USB 3.0 cable. And the power supply. Just as suspected. Alright guys, that is all that's in the box. No surprises there. Just pretty much what you'd expect. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. I'm going to get this set up and unbox the Seagate hard drive and get this running, and then I'm just going to have a little bit where it's running, and then I'll come back for the final results and show you if this was a success in duplicating a bad hard drive into a good hard drive. You know, I'm thinking it's just maybe hardware failure. I don't think that it, you know, there might be some bad sectors and stuff. So we'll see how this handles the bad sectors. You know, this is a sector by sector clone. I don't want to clone a bad hard drive into another bad hard drive. So, and there's really not a lot out there on how this is handled with this device. So this is going to be an interesting test. See if we can get a good working hard drive out of a kind of a clunky, defective one that just is not reading in any possible way for any length of time on a PC. Alright guys, check back here in a minute. I'm pausing the video and I will be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. We have got this set up. It's hooked up to power. I have my target drive, which is the brand new Seagate that I unboxed there, and put in hard drive 2. My source, which is in hard drive 1, is the MyBook drive that I'm going to try to recover onto this new hard drive. So in this mode for the dock, it is going to be the duplicator. It's not hooked up to a PC. If I hook this up to a PC through USB, then it acts like a hot swappable, I don't know, external hard drives, I guess. So it'll see both these drives when I hook it up to a PC, and then if I can, you know, pull it out, put another one in, then it'll reread it. So it's hot swappable is what that means. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Power supply's back here. Okay, and we have 2 lights showing that we have good connections with the hard drives. Now to get this doing its duplication process, we push and hold this button for approximately 5 seconds. And hopefully we see something happen. There we go. That might have been a little more than 5 seconds, but I just wanted to make sure it took. So it's doing its scans. So hopefully we start seeing a little bit of progress here. But so anyway, this is the way it works. We got it running. I will come back. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to come back, and we'll see what kind of results we get. And you know, the first light down here is 25%. So we will see if we get that far. And hopefully I see a little more activity, because right now I'm not seeing any kind of flashing lights that indicates that this is really working. But let's see what we get. I'll be back, guys.